Hello guys, my name is Blessing Njoko and I'm a front-end developer. You're welcome to this front-end course, and in this course we're going to be learning CSS, everything about CSS. So what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. What is it used for? It is used in styling your web pages. The colors, the background, the font size, the way your website looks, that's the work of CSS. So let's start with the setup. So the first thing you need to do is, we're going to be doing in this course, is to set up our folder. Let's name it CSS. Let's name this CSS. I'm going to drag this into our VS Code. So we have it open right now. So let's set up our index.html file. HTML. Let's do a shortcut to render our HTML structure, and this is it. So the next thing is to create our CSS folder where all our CSS is going to be. After that, we're going to create a file called style. Let's just small letter. Style.css. So the file extension for CSS is .css. So you can name it anything, but it has to be .css, just like we have it in HTML. So that's all for this video. See you in our next video.